Hi everyone, this is Silas Chapman with Pathways of the Past, and I'm here to announce that I'm launching a Patreon page for my YouTube channel. So the idea of this Patreon is to be able to support my YouTube channel, to be able to get funds in order to upgrade or replace camera equipment when it breaks down, things like that. So if you want to support my channel, please consider subscribing to my Patreon. I've got $1, $3, and $10 monthly tiers. And subscribing to my Patreon will give you things like access to a Discord channel where you can speak with me directly and we can talk about archaeology, flint knapping, stone tools, things like that. Behind the scenes content, sneak peeks into upcoming videos, all sorts of things like that. I don't want people to feel like they have to subscribe to this Patreon or that I'm asking them that they have to subscribe to this Patreon. It's just